guys, welcome back. This is Leena, and if you can see, I'm wearing pink, and pink is my favorite color. I just love pink, and today I'm going to show you my top 5 pink nail paints. I have a lot of pink shades, and this looks really good on every skin type. And this, y'all can apply this if you go for a party, also for corporate wear. So I have a variety of colors. And these products are really affordable and easily available in the market. So let's start. So I'm starting with this one. This is from Nykaa. It's called Carefree Cosmo. The shade number is 138. I will also put this thing in the description down below to make it easy for you guys. So again, it's Carefree Cosmo 138, and this is the shade. And because these nail paints look different on different skin types, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a paper and I'm going to show you, apply this. So this is my first pick, Nykaa Carefree Cosmo 138, and my second pick is from Color Bar. And the shade is Exclusive 44. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to swatch this also. Always make sure that you shake your nail paint really well and then you apply it. So I'm going to swatch this. It's more like a reddish pinkish tone. Moving on to my third one. This is from Lakme Color Crush, and the shade number is 21, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to swatch this and show you. So this is more like the t-shirt, the top that I'm wearing now. This is almost that color, nice and bright pink. So my next one is from Color Bar, and the shade is called Rose Quartz 92. So this is what it looks like. This is more like a pinkish tone, pinkish to brownish tone, but not exactly brown, more like a light pink, peachy pink you could say. And my next one is from Nykaa, and this is called Rose Quartz, and the shade number is 27, and this is what it looks like. Very light, very good for like an everyday office use, etc. So I'm going to swatch this now. This is like your baby pink color, very light. So guys, these were my top 5 picks, and all these nail paints are very reasonable, not expensive at all, and these colors are really nice if you are a pink lover like me. So do try these nail paints and let me know if you have any of your favorite pink nail paint, and let me know in the comment section below. Also like this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I'll put the link down below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.